So this is the park. You can see like all the duck and goose. So mostly that was actually duckling season, they call Gosling and Duckling season. And they're mostly laying their eggs here. Okay, I can see one goose here. Wow, right there. Oh, I can see the baby. Look right there. Look, the baby. Baby, look. Wow, I can see the baby.
Oh, they're right there.
Wow, whoa, I can see two baby. Oh, three.
They're
Wow.
female.
I can see, look, Daddy. The goose has like how many baby?
2.
1, 2, 3, 4. Wow.
Oh, those are their mothers.
Yeah. So, this is the time for laying the baby. I think laying the eggs and then come up like the baby.
Let me
like,
just get one.
Wow.
I want to get one. I want to get one and put it.
No, you cannot take the one.
I want to get him.
Oh.
Get him. Let's go.
I can see that. There, look.